In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Iris shaders for Minecraft. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. For this video, we're using Google. Then go to the search bar and look up Iris shaders right over here and go to the official irisshaders.dev website right over here. Go ahead and press on download, then press on download universal jar right over here. Now, go ahead and find your file and drag and drop it to your desktop because this is going to make the process significantly easier. Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and actually install a shader that is compatible with Iris. So one really good website is called CurseForge. So let's go ahead and type that in. All right, so here's CurseForge. Make sure to go to the official curseforge.com website right over here. Then make sure to select on Minecraft. Then scroll down and make sure to go ahead and select on shaders. Then once you're over here, it is going to give you a list of a bunch of shaders that you guys can go ahead and install. From here, go ahead and find a shader that you would like to install. For this video, let's install the BSL shaders. And one really important thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and make sure that where it says game versions, that Iris is an option. Because remember, we're using the Iris shaders in order to load these other shaders into the game. So you just want to make sure that Iris is an option over here where it says game versions. Then once you confirm that Iris is there, please go to the top menu and press on files. So what you want to do is you want to select on Iris right over here. And what you want to do is you want to download the shader right over here. And also make sure that it is compatible with your game version. So if you're trying to play on Minecraft 1.20.11, for example, this is going to work. But anyways, press on these three dots and select on download file right over here. Now just wait a little bit. Now, another really important thing that we need to have installed is Java, because we will need Java in order to run shaders, in order to basically load into the Iris shaders itself. So guys, if you haven't already, please download Java. And thankfully, downloading Java is incredibly easy. You just need to open up another tab and look up Java Download Oracle. Then go ahead and scroll down and make sure that JDK21 is selected. Then go ahead and select on your operating system. So you can download Java whether you're on a Linux, Mac OS, or on a Windows. Me personally, I'm on a Windows, so I would go ahead and select on this. Then I would install the x64 installer, and then from there, it is going to walk you through the entire setup wizard. Now, it's actually relatively easy. They walk you through the entire process, but I believe you do need to restart your device in order for Java to be applied. So please be prepared to do that. Anyways, once you went ahead and done that, you are good to go. So let's go ahead and drag and drop our shader as well, the BSL shaders. So at this point, we should have three things installed. We should have Java on our system, we should have the Iris installer, and we should also have the shader of our choice. For this example, we're just working with the BSL shader, but obviously you can download any other shader you want. And what you want to do is you want to right click on Iris installer, then go ahead and select on open with. Now, if you have Java installed on your system, like I previously mentioned, you should see this option that says Java TM Platform SE binary. All you want to do is you want to press on it just like so. Then where it says select game version, make sure 1.21.11 is selected. Then go ahead and press on install right over here and you're good to go. Also, make sure that where it says install to, that Minecraft launcher is selected, which it should automatically be selected by default, but you always want to double check. Anyways, once that's done, go ahead and close out of the Iris installer and open up the Minecraft launcher. Once you're in the Minecraft launcher, please go to the top menu and select on installations. Now where it says versions, make sure that the box that says modded is turned on because Iris is technically considered a modded version of Minecraft. Anyways, once you see it, all you want to do is you want to select on this option that says open installations folder. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see the shader packs folder right over here. So go ahead and scroll down and yep, here is the shader packs folder. So once you locate it, please go ahead and double click on it in order to open it. All right, and by default, it is going to be empty. So now what you want to do for here is you want to minimize the Minecraft launcher, and now you want to drag and drop the Iris shader that you installed previously inside of the shader packs folder like this. And once you're done with that, go ahead and close out the shader packs folder, return back over to the Minecraft launcher, go ahead and locate the Iris installation, and then press on play just like so. Then from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and wait for Minecraft to load in. All right, once you guys are here in Minecraft, go ahead and load into your Minecraft world or server. All right, once you're in your Minecraft world, let's go ahead and activate our shader. So go ahead and press on exit, press on options, then go ahead and press on video settings. And underneath the section that says Iris, you will see shader pack. So go ahead and select on it, and then you should be able to find the shader that you didn't install. So yep, here it is, the BSL shaders in our case. Then go ahead and press on apply. Then afterwards, it is going to go ahead and begin applying that shader. Go ahead and press on done, 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 and then back to game. And then from here, we are now able to go ahead and run the Iris shaders on our system. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.